Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Psychology Unplugged. In this video, we are going to discuss coping strategies for stress and anxiety. APA 2023 data shows 76% of people experience stress regularly. Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed by the weight of everything going on in your life? Work, relationships, the constant pressure to perform. It can feel like a never-ending loop. But here's the thing, stress and anxiety are not just mental battles, they're physical ones too. And today, we are going to explore how to recognize, manage and break free from these struggles with real, actionable coping strategies. Stick with me, because these insights might just change how you experience life. Now we are going to understand stress and anxiety. What's happening in your body? The fight or flight response is your body's natural reaction to stress, American Psychological Association. So, what's really happening when you're stressed or anxious? Stress and anxiety aren't just about racing thoughts, they're rooted in our biology. When we face a threat, whether it's an impending deadline or a personal conflict, our brain activates the fight or flight response. This releases stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, making us feel on edge, hyper-alert, or even physically exhausted. This biological reaction served our ancestors well in moments of real danger. But in today's world, constant stressor, like work pressure or relationship struggles, keep us in that state, sometimes for days, weeks, or even months. Take my friend Mark, for instance. He'd been working in a fast-paced marketing job for years, and felt like he was always on. Even at home, he couldn't escape the stress. He started having trouble sleeping and found it hard to relax. His body was always in fight mode. Eventually, Mark realized that he wasn't giving himself space to recover. He was stuck in a constant state of stress and anxiety. Coming up, we'll dive into practical strategies to help you take control of your stress and anxiety. Breathing exercises. One of the quickest ways to counteract stress is through controlled breathing. Try this with me. Inhale deeply for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and exhale slowly for 4 seconds. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which helps you feel calmer and more grounded. Mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness can help you stay present and calm your racing thoughts. Whether it's a 10-minute session in the morning or a simple walk where you focus on your breath, mindfulness allows you to break free from the spiral of stress. Exercise. Physical activity is a proven stress buster. It not only releases endorphins, your body's natural, feel-good chemicals, but it also helps you clear your mind. Even a short walk or stretching session can make a huge difference. Journaling and creative outlets. Sometimes, stress builds up because we have no outlet for our emotions. Journaling is a great way to process your thoughts, fears, and frustrations. Whether it's a gratitude journal or just free writing, getting it out of your head can help you feel lighter. Cognitive behavioral techniques. When anxiety starts to spiral, try challenging your negative thoughts. Ask yourself, is this thought based on facts? Can I change my perspective? CBT techniques can help you reframe those anxious thoughts and gain control over your emotions. Now, if you are feeling overwhelmed and unsure where to start, don't worry. Now we are going to talk about why seeking help and building a support system is crucial in managing stress and anxiety. Even with the best strategies, stress and anxiety can sometimes feel unmanageable. That's when seeking help is the smartest choice. Therapy, support groups, and connecting with others can make a world of difference. Therapy and professional help. It's okay to ask for help. Talking to a therapist can provide you with coping strategies tailored to your unique situation. Therapy isn't just for crisis moments. It can help you prevent burnout and learn better ways to handle stress. Building a strong support system, connecting with friends, family, or even colleagues who understand your struggles and can provide the emotional support you need. Sometimes, just knowing that someone else gets it is all it takes to feel less alone. Support groups and online communities. If you feel like you don't have a support system nearby, online communities can offer a place to share and learn from others who are going through the same challenges. Stress and anxiety are part of life, but they don't have to control you. Recognizing the signs early, using coping strategies, and seeking support when needed, you can take back your power and find peace again. Share your journey in the comments. What strategies have worked for you? Don't forget to subscribe to Psychology Unplugged for more videos on mental health and wellness. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs it. We're all in this together, and I'd love to hear your stories.